Hello, this is Mixed Media Dad, Marcy's dad, and she asked me to do a pour. And I want to do one that I've never done before, which is pretty simple since I've only done a couple. So I might have a little surprise for you, so keep watching. All right, I'm going to use the bottle bottom, and we'll start off with Electric Purple. If I can get the lid up. Now I have shook all these to handle the separation, in case the last time I didn't finish that sentence. Okay, think I should remove the bottle bottom? Why not? Let's take it out of there. Oh, there's another one underneath it. Told you I might surprise you. All right. Razzle dazzle. After that. This is Deep Sea. It's a blue. Very dark blue. Oh, another one. Now we're going to do some green, emerald green. It's a beautiful color. If you get this on your fingernails and don't clean it off, it stays on there for up to a week. Now this is Fairy Dreams, which we're just going to go ahead and take this out. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more yellow because it looks just a little bit too solid for me. This looks easy, doesn't it? It is. Now I'm going to tilt it to get the canvas covered. Mess up my design. Doesn't work very well, does it? Okay. Well, what do you think? I think it's pretty damn muted. Pretty, especially the part in the middle there. Not knowing what else to do with it, I'm going to call that a done, and then we'll do a close-up in just a second after I get some of the paint off my hands. Okay, so we're going to do close-up here. This is from my perspective, the bottom right-hand corner, the upper right-hand corner, the upper left-hand corner, and the lower left-hand corner. One thing is I really like is the emerald is sort of spreading, seeping, putting out tentacles or something into the other colors, and it looks beautiful. And also this little section right here where with the different metallics are just going into the different colors. It's really beautiful. I mean, I like it. All right. Well, you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you again another time. Bye-bye.